Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to set up another container with one uh, perennial. Not only perennial, it is a tree, a pine tree. Along with I'm going to decorate this container with a lot of wonderful and amazing colored plants. So I hope you will enjoy that this view as well, and I have seen that you are liking this kind of videos, so I think it will be again a fun one. So let me just grab all the plants and then I'm going to share it with you. So as you can see, this will be my combination, that is this kochia grass at the back. This is the tree I was talking about, that is a pine tree. I don't know what is the actual name of it, but it is a kind of bluish green color and I like that a lot, and I think it will go very well with this pink color purslane. So I'm going to set it all up in this container and I'm going to show you. So for the potting mixture, as you can see this one, so this is a good potting mixture. It is from one of my other pots, but in this mixture it is a ratio of 40% garden soil, 40% sand, 40% organic compost and 20% sand. But since it is not a very new soil, means it is I think 2 years old ago, means before 2 years ago I have made this potting mix. So what I'm going to add is I'm going to remove some soil from it and I'm going to add a good amount of vermicompost in it in order to balance the nutrition of the soil. So as you can see, I have removed some amount of soil from this, and I'm going to keep this a little low in soil because I have soil in the root wall of those plants as well. So what I'm going to do is, here I have vermicompost with me. I'm going to just add a generous amount in this container. I think this much will be enough. Now the next step is to mix everything. So now it is ready to be planted, but before planting also, here I have some slow release organic fertilizer, so I'm adding this thing. If you are having Zyme fertilizer or any organic fertilizer, slow release, you can just go ahead and use that thing. It will work fine. So I have used 1 scoop and just I'm going to mix it up. It will help in developing strong roots. Next, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to dig a hole. Next, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just take out this plant from the pot and just, you can see this, I'm going to just disturb the roots at the bottom a little bit and at the top as well. So I want it at the center. So what I'm going to do is, want the plant to grow straight. I do not want it to lean to any other directions. So just I'm going to press it slightly. And this plant is good to go. So next what I'm going to plant is at the back of this, considering this is the back, okay, so I'm going to dig a hole over here and I'm going to just take one kochia plant and just I'm going to plant it like this. Now consider this is the at the back, okay, the kochia is at the back and this is at the front, and now at the 4 points I'm just going to plant 4 coil strands, cuttings. These are all cuttings, you can see they will grow eventually. And now the final part is to give a mulch. So here I have some leaf compost with me, which I will use as a mulch. So I hope everything will turn out as I have guessed it to be, and you can see it will look nice, I think, because you can see that green color with this bluish green plant and this all 4 pulse strand. I think it will do nice, and I hope you have liked this video and a little bit show, because it is not very pretty at all, I know, but still I'm going to give you a show, because after 1 to 2 days maybe there is a little destruction over here, because you know that over here a cyclone named Amphan is going to arrive over here, so nearest to our place, because we live in Hooghly district and it is prone to the cyclonic zone, maybe what I should call it. So I hope you all have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. More exciting and new videos are coming on, and many new topics are coming, so I hope you will like it and enjoy it, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching this video.